This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with the prop rod. Loosen the cable nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Drain the cooling system. Turn the heater control to the maximum heat setting. With the engine cool, wrap a thick cloth around the radiator cap, then slowly unscrew it and remove it from the radiator. Move a large container under the radiator drain fitting to catch the coolant. Open the drain fitting until coolant starts flowing from the drain hole. A pair of pliers may be required to turn it. Allow the coolant in the radiator to drain completely. While the coolant is draining, check the condition of the radiator hoses, heater hoses, and clamps. Replace any damaged clamps or hoses before refilling the cooling system. Once the coolant has finished draining, tighten the radiator drain plug securely by hand. Dispose of the used coolant properly. Detach the wiring harness clip from the bracket. Slide back the hose clamp, then detach the hose from the fitting. If it is stuck, grasp it near the end with a pair of adjustable pliers and twist to break the seal, then pull it off. Disconnect the electrical connector from the thermostat housing. Remove the thermostat cover bolts and detach the housing cover. Note that one of the bolts retains the wiring harness bracket. If the cover is stuck, tap it with a soft-faced hammer to jar it loose. Be prepared for some coolant to spill as the gasket seal is broken. Note how the thermostat is installed. The jiggle valve should be facing up. Remove the thermostat and rubber seal. Remove all traces of old gasket material and/or sealant from the housing and cover. Install a new rubber seal over the thermostat. Make sure the cutout is aligned correctly with the jiggle valve. Install the new thermostat in the housing without using sealant. Make sure the jiggle valve is at the top of the spring end and is directed into the engine. Install the thermostat housing cover and mounting bolts. Be sure to position the bracket on the bolt in the same way it was noted before removal. Tighten the thermostat cover mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Making sure that the thermostat cover hose mating surface is smooth and free from corrosion and other permanent debris, connect the hose to the thermostat housing cover. Secure the hose with a clamp. Connect the electrical connector to the thermostat housing. Attach the wiring harness clip to the bracket. Fill the cooling system with the proper type and mixture of antifreeze up to the base of the radiator filler neck. Loosely install the radiator cap. Start the engine and run at approximately 1500 RPM until the radiator fan comes on 2 times. Feel the upper radiator hose. It should be warm, indicating the thermostat has opened. Turn off the engine and let it cool down. Slowly remove the radiator cap and recheck the coolant level, adding more as necessary to bring the level up to the base of the filler neck. Fully install the radiator cap. Fill the coolant reservoir with coolant until the level reaches slightly above the minimum mark. Connect the negative battery cable and tighten the bolts securely.